How to remove an intent in Smartsheet. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove intent on Smartsheet. So let's get started. First of all, you'll have to open your Smartsheet account and then of which intent you wish to remove. So just click on the workspace and then click on the sheet, and here you can see that intents have been added to these. So you can just click on this plus icon over here and you'll be able to see some subtasks within these. So these are basically indentation, and if you wish to remove it, all you have to do is you can just click on these and remove them. As you can see, when you indent a row, all of the row contents and not just that single column gets indented. That means that you can just click on the icon and you'll be able to see other options. So what you can do is just click on that row and then click on outdent. So basically there is not really an option of removing intent, but you have to outdent against the intent in order to remove the intent. And now here you can see that this row has been removed from intent, and now when I click on this plus icon, only the first row gets indented because we have not removed that. But however, the second row that says subtask 2 has been removed from indentation, so that's why it doesn't get minimized. So if you wish to indent it again, you can just right click on that and click on intent, and now you can see that it has been indented again. So that's very simple, and that's it for today's video. And that was how you can remove intent in Smartsheet. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.